Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSE Silksarees. In this video, we are going to see a most hit design, which is a IKKAT contrast in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have different color combinations and different designs. So we are going to see all these sarees in this video. So before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. We have 15 plus sarees in this video, so we are going to see all these sarees video in this section. So please don't miss these collections. Watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. All these sarees are our own manufacturing sarees. We are uploading fresh collections in our YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel to check our collections. So we have 15 different colors in this combination, in this design. All are different designs and a unique IKKAT pattern. With both sides you will get a contrast. So this is a very fast moving design in soft silk sarees. So book your favorite saree once you wanna book these sarees. A very fast moving design. So let's get started. This is the first saree, a beige with bottle green combination. This is a very hit color combination in this design. A beautiful bottle green pallu in gold jari, and all over the saree you have a beautiful IKKAT design. With both sides you will get a dye contrast. So this is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the design comes all over the saree. With both sides you will have a contrast border. It's a dye contrast border. And next is a peach with navy blue combination. All pallu work is done in a rich gold jari, and you'll get a contrast blouse, and all over the saree you have a IKKAT pattern with both sides a contrast dye contrast border. So if you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. A WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share the screenshot for booking. So all are very beautiful design and a color combination. So please don't miss these collections. All these are double warp sarees, premium quality silk, which comes with a SILKMARK certified. So we have a SILKMARK certified for all our sarees. So all these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified, and you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over the world. So you can book it from anywhere. We have very limited stock in each of these colors. So book your favorite saree. Please do watch this video fully for all other color combination and designs. Please don't skip the video. Watch the video fully so that you will get all those color combinations. Also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.